Hey everyone, I hope you are enjoying working on your PBL this week and picking out which animal that you would like to add to the aquarium. As you are working on that, we are doing a little bit of math this week, not as much as we normally do. This is just so that we're also getting the math component of our PBL so that we're hitting all parts of the curriculum. I have up here slides and we're gonna go through what you're going to be doing. We are working on standard KOA3, which is decomposing groups and looking at those types. So let me go. Okay. All right. So one thing that we do a lot in class that we've already worked on is how many different ways we can make 5. And we've done this with our counters. So this is just kind of a review. So I could just decide, like, how many ways do I want to make 5? I could color in this one red and this one red. And then I could do green, green, and green. All right. So if I were to make my addition problem now, I would say I have 2 reds and 3 greens. So I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Okay. Now, we've also practiced, where's my pink color? Where we can do other ways to make 5. I could go through and do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one green, right? I still have 5 circles just like I did up here, but now it looks a little bit different. So if I were to write my equation, okay, how many reds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many greens? 1, right? So both of these ways show how to make 5. This one's just 2 plus 3, and this one is just 4 plus 1. So that's what we're going to be doing with our math this week, is just different ways that you can make the number. So this says Wednesdays, but we're just kind of looking at it. So 2 whales are swimming in the ocean and come across 6 beautiful seashells. They want to take them home to show their family. How many does each whale get? Okay, so I know that I have 2 whales and there are 6 beautiful seashells. Okay, how I can solve this, I could draw 2 squares to represent each whale. Okay, and then I've got 6 seashells. Okay, so how many could each whale get? Well, I'm going to draw circles until I get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did each whale get? 3 and 3. So my equation would be 3 plus 3 equals 6. Is that the only way to make 6? No. So I could come up with another way. Okay, I will draw my squares again. Okay, to represent my 2 whales. Okay, and then I'm just going to start drawing circles until I get to 6. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now with this problem, I have my 2 whales. They've each received seashells, but now is it the same as this one? No. So what would my equation be? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Both of these equations are correct. 3 plus 3 equals 6 and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Those are both correct, okay? Because we are learning that there are different ways to make these numbers, all right? So 2 birds are swimming in the ocean and come across 5 fish down below. They are very hungry and are ready for lunch. How many fish will each bird get for lunch? Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Whoop. Get my pen, okay, and I'm gonna draw, here's my first fish. Here's my second fish, okay? I'm sorry, birds. Those are my first bird and my second bird. Okay, there's only 10 fish, okay? So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many birds, I'm sorry, there's 2 birds. So how many did each bird get? How many fish? 5, good. And 5, right? They both got the same. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's one way. Is that the only way? No. So I could come up with another way. Here are my birds, okay? Can you think of another way to make 10? What if I did this? Okay, I counted to 10, so all 10 fish have been ate between the 2 birds. How many does the first bird get? 1. How many fish did the second bird eat? Good, 9. All right, so what is my equation? 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, is one of these equations more correct than the other? Not at all. Okay, there's also many other ways to make 10. Okay, so this week you are going to be focusing on how many different ways to decompose these numbers and figure out how many each animal could get. All right, so good luck, and I hope you guys are enjoying your PBL and having fun with it, and I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.